I painted fighters for a year, F-15s, and I have my own setup at home, and it's not that hard.
It may not be hard, but we have to comply with OSHA, and then we have to comply with the state California regulations, and they're really a pistol. You're actually allowed to paint outside 5 gallons a day if you're at an airport. But you have to be very, very cautious, and then to get it off base, we can't even get it through the gate without craning it.
We have a corrosion hanger. Would they ever let us pull it into?
I have no idea.
Okay, I can ask about that. That's what we paint.
They do small painting for us. They do horizontal stabilizers occasionally here on the base.
Okay.
But we'd rather just have someone else go out and strip it.
Yeah.
They're good at it. They know what they're doing, and then they have to balance all of the moving surfaces have to be rebalanced once you paint an aircraft. So you have to meet all those compliances. Just painting an aircraft doesn't comply.
Is it possible, let's just say the corrosion hanger is empty and we don't need to do any maintenance, we pull it in, we paint it, can someone else go in and balance it later?
I don't think we have the opportunity right now.
Okay.
And then how are you going to strip it?
We have stripping methods. There's chemical methods and mechanical methods. How do you want to strip it?
Look into it.
Yeah. We have to go through hazmat here.
It's built for hazmat, so we do our stuff in there.
Yeah, we'll check on it. Thank you.
All right, so first off, I have to apologize for the smaller, not as bright screen, but I had to be able to make sure that no matter what, we could do this presentation tonight. And Roger has a CAT card and login to get onto land and use their system. But I don't have that, so we have to use the little projector that I have that I use, for training elsewhere. So tonight I want to do something a little different. It's kind of like a trivia night, but with a hint of safety in it. So, kind of ground rules is there's going to be a few questions come up. If you know the answer, hey, just put your hand up. We'll try it, and then if you're right, great, and if not, then we'll open it up to the floor, and maybe just something a little different, a little more fun for tonight. All right, so which of these helicopters has the greatest external payload? We have the Sky Crane, we have the 53 that the Marines absolutely love, we have the Army's Chinook, and we have the Russian Mi-26. And anybody just by chance know what the name of that, what their name is? Hook.
Hind.
So Hook. Hook. Hind is their gunship, which is equivalent to our Apache. So anybody know the answer to this one? Again, Chinook. That would be a good guess.
I don't think so.
But actually, it's the Hind. The Hind is actually the largest production helicopter in the world. It outlives all the other aircraft. Originally, the Army used to have the Sky Crane, and it was designed initially for those cargo pods to put cargo in, lift it up, and then after that, Erickson made it famous for firefighting. So there it is. That's the size of it next to a Bell Jet Ranger, so you can see the size of that thing. I mean, it's huge. I got to fly in one in Afghanistan. I mean, you can play football in the thing. So it can lift the Chinook. That's the rotor head alone. See, you can see the guy on the right. So that just shows you how huge that rotor head system is on it. Okay.
True.
Yeah.
8.
Okay, there we go. Oop. It's a slow. It just never fails, right?
I had to read her, but I have